Hey everyone, my name is Himal. I'm professional WordPress website designer and developer from Mantastic Production. Mantastic Production is marketing agency where we'll provide web design and development, graphics design, video editing, and video business service. However, it is in this video we're going to cover how can you install WordPress in your Cpanel web hosting. So for this thing, you just need to log in your Cpanel hosting, then scroll down a bit and find WordPress manager. Click on here. Okay, there you will find all of your available installed WordPress. Then if you want to install a new, just click on install. Okay, you will find this kind of overview. Here is a option that where you want to install. Let's keep it HTTP or HTTPS. Then you will find your domain name. We already have installed a WordPress in our domain name. If you have more than one domain, you will find all this domain name here. So we're just going to install our new WordPress in a subdirectory. So let's give it the name Himal, and here we'll find the available WordPress version. I want to keep it the latest version, so I recommend you also to keep it the latest version. There you can change the site name and also this thing, the site description, so no need to worry about that. You can change them later on also. So here you can find the option to set the username. You can put your email address here. I put my email, and there you will be find an option to put the password. So I'm giving a random password, or you can give the email address as well, but it's not recommended. I put it here as tutorial purpose. And there you will find the admin email address. You can put what it has here, or you can put anything that you have, business mail or personal mail. Then simply scroll down bottom and click on install. It's installing, so it just take 3 to 4 minutes for install. As you can see, it's already installed. So you just need to click on here. It will automatically log in. Or if you want, you can also copy this one and paste on this URL. Type in slash after your domain and the directory you put, then wp underscore admin. Okay, it's already came here. Let's delete this step and keep it this. Let it be loading perfectly. Okay, it's come. So as you can see, I put my email here. There's my mail, and also I put there my mail as password. Click on login. As you can see, my WordPress is installed successfully. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you think this video is helpful for you, just click on this like button, hit the subscribe button, and if you have any problem, comment below the comment section. Thank you so much. Keep in touch with Mantastic Production.